In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Face ID on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. First off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Then we need to enter our current device's passcode to continue. And once you open this page, then just scroll down, and somewhere here, you will find a Reset Face ID. Now, guys, you just need to tap here once to reset your Face ID. Just keep in mind that once you reset Face ID, you will no longer be able to use your face to unlock your phone and confirm some actions. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button